In this video, we are going to look at the OR AND function in Excel. Now, when you compare two things with OR, you get a false result when the two comparisons are false, but you get a true result when the two comparisons are true, or when at least one of the comparisons are true. So, but for AND, when you compare two or more things with AND, you get a false when at least one of the comparisons is false. So, for you to get a true when using the AND function, all the comparisons must be true. So, let's look at an example of how to use the OR AND function in Excel. Now, say I want to compare these two scores. Let's peg the pass mark at 50. So I'll start by typing equals to, and I'll type OR on my keyboard, followed by the opening curved bracket. I'll click on 65 and I would press the greater than sign, then I'll type 50. So I'm comparing 65 is greater than 50 or 76 is greater than 50. Close your bracket. Because the two comparisons are true, the entire result will be true. So let's drag down to see what this one gives us. This is also true because at least one of the comparisons is true. 16 greater than 50 is false, but 65 greater than 50 is true. Because one of the comparisons is true, then the entire result will be true. So let's drag down to get the rest of the results. We get true all true except for this one where these two values are less than 50. Now 35 greater than 50 is false and 44 greater than 50 is false. Now OR function gives you false if the two or more comparisons are false. Now for AND, press equals to, type AND on your keyboard, open bracket, click on 65 greater than 50. Let's compare this and 76 greater than 50. Close your bracket. Now you get true here because the two comparisons are true. 65 is greater than 50 and 76 is greater than 50. So let's check what we have here. Equals to, and open bracket, 16 greater than 50, that's false actually, comma, 65 greater than 50, that's true. The entire result will give us a false result actually because one of the comparison is false. So that's how the AND function works. So if one of the comparisons is false, then the entire result will be false for the AND function. But for the true function, you only get false as the overall result if the two or more comparisons are false.